Hey guys, welcome back to Mold Mayhem. In today's video, we're tackling an epic project, creating a complete Hulk figure from the rocky base to the muscular body, all in one go. Let's start with the base first. First up, let's get this resin surface all cleaned up. To make our base extra sturdy, I'm going to post-cure it and apply a coat of primer to get it ready for painting. Now for my favorite part, giving this base some personality. This part is also quite challenging to get just right, but the payoff will be incredible.
Always first at the finish line, first to the plate when it's dinner time, first to escape when this shit goes down and these motherfucking clowns finna finish mine. Flow too real, hit it with a rhythm rhyme. Tim's on cause it's cold in the wintertime. I'm a boss, yeah you know that I'm finna shine. Got the money in the bank like it's intertwined. First at the finish line, first to the plate when it's dinner time, first to escape when this shit goes down and these motherfucking clowns finna finish mine. Flow too real, hit it with a rhythm rhyme. Tim's on cause it's cold in the wintertime. I'm a boss, yeah you know that I'm finna shine. Got the money in the bank like it's intertwined.
And here is our base, all finished and ready. Now let's set it aside for a moment, because it's time for the main event, the Green Goliath. First, we'll apply a green base coat to all the skin areas. This is the foundational step, so a smooth and even coat is extremely important. After the paint is completely dry, it's time for a step that requires some patience, masking off the skin. This step protects our first layer and helps create sharp color separations later.
Yo, crank that volume, turn it way up. Get your weapon, get your blade out. Damage, then you gon' pay up. Yo, crank that volume, turn it way up. Get your weapon, get your blade out. Damage, then you gon' pay up.
Yo, crank that volume, turn it way up. Get your weapon, get your blade out. Damage, then you gon' pay up. Yo, crank that volume, turn it way up. Turn it way up, turn it way up.
Crank that volume, turn it way up, way up.
With the masking complete, we'll paint the base colors on the remaining parts like the armor, helmet, and boots.
Put your hands, put your city, put your fans, put your state up.
Yo, crank that volume, turn it way up, way up, way up, way up.
Now for the stage that requires the most patience, but is also the most rewarding, where we add all the character and realism. This is where the magic happens. We'll use our brushes meticulously to create shading and highlights, add surface texture, and scratches to make the Hulk look more realistic and dynamic.
Yo, crank that volume, crank that volume, crank that, crank that, crank that, crank that.
Crank that volume, turn it way up, way up.
I get the money and it's right on cue. Keep the duffel bag up inside my coupe. Hold a couple racks, tell them I love you. You wanna be a boss, do it like I do. Yeah. Get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. You now rockin' with the best. I got a big dream and I aim high. Take a risk every time I play dice. I shake 'em up and it's snake eyes. I'm the same guy.
Once the painted details are dry and sharp, it's time to put everything together. Let's carefully use some glue to attach the Hulk's body to the base we prepared.
Get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. You now rockin' with the best.
We're at the final stage. Let's check for and fix any small mistakes. And for the finishing touch, the red gem on the Hulk's chest will be our final brushstroke to complete the piece. Now let's admire the finished piece. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to suggest which character you'd like to see me work on next. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on future videos. Goodbye and see you in the next one.